this video, I will show you a simple way to incorporate technical skills into your resume. Before beginning, keep in mind that these are advanced technical skills. Basic skills, such as teamwork or time management, and basic technical skills, such as Microsoft Office applications, should not appear listed in their own section. Instead, you'll want to incorporate those basic skills within the bullets of your other experiences. Before we begin, there are two ways that you can showcase technical skills in a resume. The first is to break each skill into proficiency levels, such as beginner, intermediate, and expert. This is a great setup if you have a wide range of experiences with different technical skills. If your experiences with your tech skills are pretty much at around the same level, it'd be best to group those skills based on categories. The instructions in this video will work regardless of how you decide to group your skills. So here we have a near finished resume with the technical skills section still needed to be completed. Eventually, we'll end up with skills and columns, but for now, I'm just going to list each skill in its own category. For this example, I'll be grouping these skills based on categories. I'll start off with basic tech skills like operating systems. I'll type the category name and format this just like my university or company names at the top. So in bold, I'll type operating systems. I'll hit enter to go to the next line, and then I'll hit the bullet formatting button up here. Now, I'll just type each skill on its own line. Windows, Unix, Linux, Apple. That's good enough for now. Let's move on to the next category. I'll hit enter twice to ensure that I get a blank line of space between the different categories, and now I'll type the next category name, databases. And just like before, I'll hit enter once, and then place each skill on its own line with its own bullet. And I'll keep doing this for other skills like web development and programming languages. Don't worry if your resume is running onto a second page. Remember, we're going to reformat this into columns later to make everything fit onto one page. Important thing here is just to keep the formatting consistent by including that blank line of space between categories, bolding the category name, and bulleting each skill individually. Okay, I think that's good enough for now. So to get the skills placed in columns to make this all fit on one page, you simply select all the skills, click on Page Layout at the top. If you're working on a Mac, it might be called Layout. You want to click on Columns here, and select the number of columns you want. For this resume, I'll simply select 2 columns, and there we go. 2 columns of skills with the resume still on one page. Now, a few things to note. We want to make sure that a new category is beginning at the top of each column. We don't want any floating bullets at the top or any incomplete categories at the bottom. You may have to reorganize some of the skills or perhaps go from 2 to 3 columns or vice versa, but we need a category at the top of each column lining up properly. However, it's okay for categories in lower parts of the columns to not line up. See how databases and programming languages aren't quite on the same line? That's okay. As long as the top of the columns have a category name and the bottom of columns end categories, you'll be good to go. If you find you're having difficulty incorporating technical skills into your resume, please don't hesitate to set up a resume review appointment with the Career Management Center. We're always happy to help walk students through this process. Thanks for watching.